Meet Oscar, your on-screen composition assistant built right into Project AI Score. Oscar is an AI-powered writing support tool designed to help you during the writing process. But Oscar is not a person, teacher, or friend. Oscar is a technology that generates responses based on patterns in its training data. Think of Oscar like a smart writing assistant that works alongside you and your teacher. Oscar can help you brainstorm ideas, plan your writing, elaborate on details, organize your thoughts, draft responses, and keep moving when you get stuck. If you forget a word, need help spelling, or want help figuring out what to write next, Oscar can support you. Oscar can also give instant feedback on your writing. It can point out places to improve, suggest revisions, and help you decide where to go next. It can even remind you how much time you have left while you work. But Oscar cannot do the writing for you. Oscar will not write your essay, give you answers, or complete assignments on your behalf. Its job is to support your thinking, not replace it. Oscar also stays focused on your writing task. It is designed to talk about your essay and your writing process, not unrelated topics. Most importantly, Oscar is not a replacement for your teacher. Your teacher is still the expert in the classroom. Think of Oscar as your teacher's assistant, another tool available to help you during writing. If Oscar gives a response that does not make sense, does not meet your needs, or if you have a bigger question or problem, always ask your teacher for help. You are still the author. Oscar is just here to support the process.